This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Word and picking blank or a template that fits your goal. Once done, set page size, margins, and orientation from layout so your document prints correctly. You should save immediately, file, save as, pick a folder and name, because autosave can fail. Make sure to choose the correct file format. DocX is standard. If collaborating, turn on autosave to OneDrive. These first steps prevent wasted rework later and establish a stable starting point. You now structure the document by applying styles, heading 1 for major sections and normal for paragraphs, because styles keep formatting consistent. Once headings are set, insert a table of contents via references so navigation updates automatically. Use section breaks when you need different headers, footers, or orientation in the same file. Also add page numbers and configure headers. Make sure to use citations and cross-references through references to maintain links that update. You finish by running a full review. Spelling and grammar, track changes for edits and comments for feedback, accept or reject changes before finalizing. Once complete, save a final docx and export a PDF via export or save as to preserve layout. If formatting goes wrong, clear direct formatting on affected text and reapply styles, because inconsistent direct formats cause layout shifts. If printing looks off, check page setup and printer settings. These fixes solve most final step problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.